Meaning of ibility.
Ability.
Ibility.
Ability.
Ibility. The suffix ability is used to form nouns indicating the capability or ability to do something or the quality of being able to undergo or tolerate something. It is derived from Latin roots ibilis and abilitas. This suffix is commonly used in English language to create new words such as flexibility, compatibility, durability, and reliability, among others. These words are used across various fields and industries to describe the quality or ability of a product, service, system, or person to meet certain requirements or standards, making them essential for effective communication and precise expression.